we're back for the second episode of the unboxing of the Topps Steve Aoki booster box. Is this called booster box? Yeah. So we're back to unbox two boxes from Wave 1 and Wave 4. And just a recap, these are what we have actually opened. So hope to chase for the autograph once in this two box, so wish us luck. And yeah, let's try with Wave 1 box first. Okay, here we go, yeah?
Yeah.
And our first card. Oh, I think this is a repeat, right? I think we got a Mike Trout earlier.
Oh yeah, so maybe this is Wave 1 specialty.
Okay. So this is Mike Trout.
Okay.
Okay, let me just find space for you. And I think the second card is a hit. What did I get? Okay. Oh, I got a Gavin Lux Polo from Team LA. Okay, moving on. Got a Cody Bellinger. Okay, I'm not very good with pronunciation, so pardon me. So this is another one. Vladimir. Shane Bieber. Alex Bremen. Yadier Molina. Freddie Freeman. Garrett Cole. Bruce Harper. Rafael Danvers. Trea Turner. Nolan Ryan. Dave Winfield. Greg Maddox. Reggie Jackson. Roger Clemens. Hideki Matsui. Ken Griffey Jr. Cal Ripken Jr. Gavin Lux again. Jesus Luzado. Bo Bichette. Mike. Brandon McKay. James Karinchet. And yeah, that's it. Okay, so what happens is the second card is usually the hit card, and we got Gavin Lux for this box from Wave 1.
And I realized something different. Initially I thought it was the same hit as what we have for my box. But actually what we look into the zoom is actually they have a rookie symbol, RC card. Zooming in into his rookie card logo. So actually this guy is there's a RC logo over here.
Oh wow, oh yeah.
Yeah, so rookie card. Hopefully this is a, you know,
a more unique hit.
A young and aspiring rookie.
Yep.
And
okay. So we have Dewey Robert. Nicole. Aaron. You're really bad at pronunciation, so sorry. Kwang Hyun Kim. Oh, okay. Justin Dunn. Is this? Devin Williams. Willie Mays. Derek Jeter. Carl something. Jose Canseco. Oops. This is Andrew Dawson. Jackie Robinson. This is Ivan something, sorry. Mark McGuire. Trevor Boa. Christian Yelich. Shohei Ohtani. Blake Snell. Max Wright. Okay. Anthony Rizzo. Matt Chapman. This is another Jose. Jose Altune. Another Jose. Jose Abreu. And then we have Clayton Kishore. Oops. Okay, are we at the final?
Last two? Alright, so this should be your hits.
This is my hits. And we got a Devin Williams.
Oh,
Okay, we've got another hollow.
rookie card.
Oh yes, and a rookie card as well. Yay! And yes, of course, Aaron Judge. So this is our hits for box 4, wave 4. A pity we haven't hit anything from Steve Aoki himself. He's an autograph too, so
I guess it's not
not tonight.
Tonight.